Canoe polo is a unique sport that blends kayaking skills with teamwork and strategic gameplay. Played in a pool or lake, two teams maneuver kayaks to score in the opponent's goal, using paddles to control the ball. Essential techniques include precise paddling and ball handling while maintaining balance and speed. Safety is paramount, with players wearing helmets and buoyancy aids to protect against sudden collisions. Spectators are captivated by the fast-paced action and tactical plays, making canoe polo an exhilarating watch. This dynamic sport showcases a mix of agility, coordination, and teamwork, offering a distinct challenge and excitement on the water.